Hey friends, it's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. Welcome back to Magician Word. Today is all about the Bugs 5 quadcopter. This is my absolute favorite when it comes to GPS budget drones. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is the Bugs 5. I ended up paying about $135. I originally bought it for $125, but if you check out my Banggood customer service video right here, you'll find out why the extra $10. Very interesting story. Don't always go for the cheapest deal, but the Bugs 5 I am going to give 5 out of 5 stars. This is a drone that is well worth the price. Perfect to learn on, perfect to get those great family vacation shots. Now remember, this doesn't compare to the Mavic line and the Phantom 4, Phantom 3. Doesn't have a gimbal that's going to, accommodate for the lean and all of that. So keep that in mind. This is a budget drone, but for the price, just look at it with no expectations. It's a flying camera. Now there are two ways you can get footage off of the Bugs 5. There's an SD card slot right here, which I always use. And just for the purpose of this video, I took out the SD card, and I'm going to show you also what it looks like if you record it directly to your phone. So enjoy the video. I'm going to assume that you already know how to fly a drone. You already know how to set one up. Of course, it uses your phone, and you connect to the Wi-Fi of the drone because it's a GPS drone. But I'm just going to tell you a few of the special things that I noticed about it that I kind of like about it. One thing, I ended up buying an extra battery, and as you can tell, it's a little different color. One of them is from the original 1080 camera that came with the original Bugs 5. And the second one, this one came with the Bugs. They actually are a different format, but you can modify your charger by clipping off the two little pieces of plastic on the inside, which prevent the 1080 battery from sliding in. So now the 1080 can charge, and both batteries work fine. So you can make that slight modification and use the 1080 camera battery on the 4K as well. Uses regular AA batteries in the remote. Now just for a size comparison, I brought out my Bugs 3. This is quite a bit cheaper. This one only cost me $50. You can find them for $60, $75 easy on Amazon. This is the Bugs 5. As you can tell, quite a bit smaller. This, of course, non-GPS, but in that very budget range of $50 to $75, this is an excellent drone as well. This is the Bugs 3. No GPS, so this really will teach you to fly. The Bugs 5 compares very similarly to the X7, JJRC X7, which I reviewed on this channel. And the difference, I think, is that I haven't had any of those problems with the compass and the starting up of it. It's a very simple startup, and I've actually never had any problems with it. I turn right, it goes right. Very responsive, and I think it's a great GPS model. So in the budget GPS drone category, Bugs 5 is Magician Word's choice.